In today's video, we will talk about 7 most important formulas to get the area and volume of different solid shapes. Let us start the video. Formula number 1, rectangular prism. If the length of the rectangular prism is A centimeter, width is B centimeter, and height is C centimeter, area of total 6 surfaces can be found with the formula 2 times A times B plus B times C plus C times A centimeter square. A rectangular prism has surfaces where the opposite surfaces are equal. The area of the opposite surfaces are equal, and there are total such surfaces in a rectangular prism. So we can get the total surface area of 6 surfaces by using this formula. Again, the volume of the rectangular prism can be found with the formula length times width times height, or A times B times C centimeter cube. This is how we can get the area and volume of a rectangular prism. Formula number 2 is a cube. Each side length of the cube is A centimeter. Then the area of each surface of the cube can be found by using the formula A times A, or A square centimeter square. There are 6 surfaces of the cube and all the surfaces are equal. So the area of total 6 surfaces of the cube can be found with the formula 6A square centimeter square. Again, the volume of the cube can be found with the formula base length times width times height, or A times A times A, or A cube centimeter cube. Since the length, width and height, everything are equal, and which equals A centimeter. So if we times length, width and height, we get A cube centimeter cube, which is the volume of the cube. Next, formula number 3 is cylinder. Length of base radius, which is this one, r centimeter, and height of the cylinder is h centimeter. Then area of each base means circular area of each base. There are 2 bases in opposite side. So area of each base is pi r square centimeter square. Area of lateral or curved surface without 2 bases. So this is the curved surface, and area of this curved surface without 2 bases is 2 pi r h centimeter square. Area of total surface can be found by adding area of 2 bases, which is 2 pi r square, plus area of the curved surface, which is 2 pi r h. So we get 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r h centimeter square. Again, the volume of the cylinder can be found with the formula pi r square h centimeter cube. This is how we can find surface area and volume of a cylinder. Formula number 4 is for cone. Length of base radius, which is this one, r centimeter. Height of the cone is h centimeter. Then area of the circular base can be found with the formula pi r square centimeter square. Again, area of the lateral or curved surface, which is this one, without the base, can be found with the formula pi r s centimeter square, where s সমান equals square root of h square plus r square. So this is how we get s by applying Pythagoras theorem. Since it is a right angle, so we can apply Pythagoras theorem to get the value of s in terms of h and r. So we can write the area of the lateral or curved surface in this way: pi r square root of h square plus r square centimeter square. Then the area of the total surface can be found by adding the area of the base and area of the curved surface. So we get pi r square plus pi r s centimeter square. The volume of the cone can be found with the formula 1/3 pi r square h centimeter cube. Next, formula number 5, square based pyramid. Length of square base is b centimeter. This is the square base, and length of each side is b centimeter. So, and the height of the pyramid is h centimeter. Height is this height, h centimeter, and this is from vertex to the middle point of the square base, which is h centimeter. And height of each side triangle is s centimeter, and this is the height of each side triangle. In this case, the area of the square base can be found by the formula b times b, or b square centimeter square. Area of each of the 4 triangular surface, there are total 4 triangular surface, and each of them can be found with the formula half times b times s, half bs centimeter square. Area of the total surface can be found 4 triangular surface, which is 4 times half bs, or 2bs is the total area of the 4 triangular surface plus the area of the square base. So this is how we get the area of the total surface: 2bs plus b square centimeter square. And the volume of the square base pyramid can be found with the formula 1/3 b square h centimeter cube. Formula number 6, triangular prism. Length of triangle base is b centimeter. This is the base of the triangle, which is b centimeter. Also, this is b centimeter, because there are 2 triangles in opposite side, and the length of other sides of each triangle is ac centimeter. Other sides, one is a, another is c. Also, down, this is a and this is c. Height of each triangle is l centimeter. This is the height of the triangle. Also, there is height of l centimeter on the other side. So, distance between 2 triangles is h centimeter. This is the distance between 2 triangles, which is h centimeter. In this case, the area of each triangular surface is half times b times l centimeter square. And the total area of 3 rectangular surfaces. There are 3 rectangular surfaces in this triangular prism, and the total surface area is a times h plus b times h plus c times h centimeter square. And the volume of this triangular prism can be found with the formula half times B times L times H centimeter cube. Our last formula is formula number 7, which is sphere. If the radius of the sphere is r centimeter, then the surface area of this sphere can be found with the formula 4 pi r square centimeter square, and the volume of the sphere can be found with the formula 4 by 3 pi r cube centimeter cube. So these are the formulas we need to get the area and volume of different solid shapes. This is the end of the video. Thanks for watching the video.